Good afternoon, sis. How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm doing good.
Great. Do you hear about our family conference that is coming up?
Yes, I heard about our free Family Life Conference that will be here at Waterloo on November 22nd and 23rd.
Yes, there's going to be lots of surprises and giveaways. Have you registered yet?
I'm going to register right after service today.
Nice, great.
So, what is in the bag?
My bag?
Yes, that pretty bag. What is in the bag?
I think you're getting a little bit nosy now.
Oh, Lord.
All right, let me give you a glimpse of what's going to be in this bag on the November 22nd and 23rd. Let me give you just a little preview, all right? You want to come closer?
Yes.
No, hold on.
Let me help you, sis.
Oh, this is a food voucher from Icona Restaurant.
Really?
Yes, Icona Restaurant. Free food. Free food. Come on, man, I don't sound excited. Get too nosy.
Let me help you again, sis.
Come on. Don't look in my back. Whoa. Oh, wow. Free paint for Christmas.
What you saying?
Yes, and a paint voucher from the True Value Bargain. Sister Roberta, is this true?
True bargain around things, man.
Who want free paint? No, look like you don't want free paint, man. This is all gonna happen in our Family Life Conference. One more, just one.
Okay, sis.
High, two chests too high now. Wow, who love KFC?
I love KFC.
KFC. Remember Bishop talked to us about the KFC. Missionary Ben?
Sharing is caring, sis.
Also, there's a free meal voucher from KFC also. Hooray! You still don't sound like you're ready for the conference, man.
I'm excited.
I am excited too.
Anybody else not register yet? Who not register yet? Put up your hand. Right after church, we're going on the outside and you're going to see a representative that we're to register with. Amen? The conference is free.
Free!
It's free.
Free!
So everybody should be out in their numbers.
And if you don't have a family, you can adopt one.
So nothing for the children?
Yes, there are going to be free gifts for the children, crayons. Oh, stationary things. Bring them, come. A lot of giveaways.
Well, I'm excited. Are you excited? We are all excited for Family Life Conference on...
Me not hear them.
On... All right, there you go. God bless you. See you there.